Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I want you guys to join me today while I get a few extra steps in. I'm going to try to double task a little bit and tell you all about my latest purchase while I also get a nice little workout in. So this is a treadmill that I picked up from Costway. And I know you guys know that Costway is a fantastic website. They have a ton of furniture, huge variety, great prices, all that good stuff. But what I recently learned is that they actually sell way more than just furniture. So on Costway, you can pick up things like patio and outdoor furniture, you can get like portable air conditioning units, and even stuff like this awesome 2-in-1 treadmill. So I'm going to leave all of the links and all of that good stuff in the description for you below. But if you want to learn more about this treadmill, take a walk with me. So this is fantastic because it is a 2-in-1. It's both a treadmill that goes up to 7.5 miles an hour, so I can get my run on, or if I want to just keep it chill and just go for a walk, I can actually lower this part and use it just as a walking pad. So that's great for if you're just trying to get a few extra steps in while you're watching TV, or if you're at your standing desk, taking a meeting, you're on a phone call, whatever it might be, you can use this, of course, as the walking pad. If you want to go faster, put it into treadmill mode and you are good to go. And converting between the two is totally effortless. In fact, everything about this has been effortless so far. The assembly, there's really nothing to worry about. And converting from the walking pad mode to the treadmill mode only takes a few seconds. It's super, super simple. Another thing that you can do to kind of convert this, I'll put it in, it's almost like a 3-in-1, is that there's even an incline option because you've got a couple little feet on the front here. So if you want to give it a few inches of extra height in the front to give you that incline, it's going to burn more calories. It's really going to activate your posterior chain, burn some extra calories and build some extra muscle. That is a win-win. You can do that on the front as well. I love having that option. You can control everything here with a handy dandy remote, plus it does have an app. The app is free and you're able to do some really cool workouts on it, and you are also going to be able to Bluetooth this in because it does have Bluetooth, and it's got a nice little speaker right here. So whether you're listening to your app with your instructor or you're listening to your favorite music, you can do that all through your awesome 2-in-1 treadmill. What else can I tell you about this? So we've got wheels on the back, so it makes it really, really easy to move around room to room. Of course, when you're in walking pad mode, this is really super thin, so you can put it underneath your sofa, underneath the bed, or put it up against a wall, so it's not going to take up a ton of room. Say you want to put this in your office, or you live in a small apartment, you're still going to be able to do this even if you have a smaller space. If you're like me, and you're out in your garage gym and sometimes you need to park a car, don't worry, roll it out of the way, fold it up, super, super simple. There is a nice little slot right here where you can put your phone, your tablet, anything like that, so that way you can enjoy the app, or you can enjoy Netflix, YouTube, whatever it might be, right? There is, of course, a nice little safety chain here. Safety first, right? And on the bottom is where you're going to get all of your metrics, like the time elapsed, the distance you've gone, your current speed, calories burned, all of that kind of good stuff. And it cycles through so that way when you are enjoying your workout, you can look down and see everything that's going on. Overall, I've been super, super happy with this treadmill. It's a nice little Goldilocks in between walking pad and full-fledged treadmill. It does go up to 7.5 miles an hour, which is a nice little run for me. It also, can operate as a walking pad. It's super quiet, so if you are using this while you're on a Zoom call or maybe while the baby's sleeping, you're not going to disturb anyone. It's also wider than a lot of other walking pads that I've seen. So this means that it's good for even larger people. It gives you a little bit of extra space to where you don't feel quite as cramped. And even the sides where you put your feet when you're not walking are plenty wide. I have wide feet, so that's important to me. And this gives you a nice feel of stability right there. It also, on the pad itself, is a super non-slip grip. There's lots of different layers. It's well made, so it's going to be a super, super high quality tread belt that keeps you safe and also keeps your joints nice and comfortable and healthy while you're walking or running. Overall, very, very happy with this particular purchase. But in general, I've always been happy with all of my shopping experiences with Costway. I'm really, really happy to find out that they are doing more than just furniture, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. So if you want to pick up a treadmill, or maybe you're in the mood for some furniture shopping, or you're looking for a portable air conditioning unit, it's that time of year, or it's about to be, so it's good to get ahead of that. You can do all of that at Costway, and I'm going to leave all of the links in the description for you below with all the information. So you guys, I'm going to finish up my workout here, and you guys go ahead and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.